Ethical Absence. Crisis Resolutions Training, Episode 5. In this episode, we will explore the concept of good ways of absence. Good ways of absence refer to the practice of being absent from certain behaviors, thoughts, or emotions that are deemed negative or unethical. By abstaining from such behaviors, one can foster ethical behavior and positive relationships. It can lead to personal growth, increased self-awareness and self-discipline, and mutual respect and trust in relationships. Practicing good ways of absence can also lead to a sense of inner peace and satisfaction, healthy communication, and positive interactions. Living a life of good ways of absence can inspire others to do the same, leading to a legacy of ethical behavior and positive relationships. Good ways of absence genesis. Good ways of absence stem from the principle of being absent from certain behaviors, thoughts, or emotions. One example of good ways of absence in personal practice could be abstaining from gossip or negative talk. In professional practice, it could be avoiding unethical business practices. In family practice, it could be refraining from blaming or shaming others. In social practice, it could be avoiding harmful stereotypes or biases. Ethical flexibility. Ethical flexibility involves being flexible without the need for detachment, perfection, imagination, imperfection, or memory. It is the ability to adjust and adapt to changing circumstances or conditions without compromising ethical behavior. Ethical sensibility. Ethical sensibility involves being sensible without the need for hearing, touch, taste, vision, or smell. It is the capacity to perceive, feel, or be conscious of something without relying on the senses. Ethical sustainability. Ethical sustainability involves being sustainable without the need for capacity, magnitude, coverage, formation, or convertibility. It is the ability to support and maintain oneself without depleting natural resources. Ethical accessibility. Ethical accessibility involves being accessible without the need for courage, receptiveness, altruism, truthfulness, or wisdom. It is the ability to access or use something, such as a resource or service, without compromising ethical behavior. Ethical capability. Ethical capability involves being capable through sensibility over the existence of non-ethical conduct, non-ethical effort, non-ethical resolve, non-ethical view, and non-ethical livelihood. It is the capacity to do or achieve something while adhering to ethical behavior. Good times of absence practice. Practicing good ways of absence can lead to good times, such as a sense of inner peace and satisfaction. Investigating and understanding the concept of good ways of absence can lead to moments of clarity and enlightenment. It can also lead to a deeper understanding of oneself and others. Good life of absence mindset. Living a life of good ways of absence can lead to a good life, as it fosters ethical behavior and positive relationships. It can also inspire others to live a similar life. Inheriting the principles of good ways of absence can lead to a legacy of ethical behavior and positive relationships. It can also inspire future generations to continue the tradition of living a life of good ways of absence.